Did you know that the US government gives away 55,000 green cards, the permanent residents, to live and work in the US? I know that what I'm about to tell you is completely unbelievable, but it's true. And it can change your life and your family's life forever. So stay until the end of this video to find out if you qualify or not. I'll tell you which countries are disqualified this year, when registration starts, and what requirements are there to participate. I'm Julio, immigration lawyer, and every year the US government offers 55,000 green cards to permanent residents. Why? This is because since 1990, there has been a US law called the Diversity Visa Program. The goal of the law is to promote diversity in immigration. In other words, to bring people to the US from countries with a low number of immigrants. That is why the US government analyzes the immigration flow of each country every year to see who qualifies. If in the past 5 years your country has had more than 50,000 green cards, it will be excluded from this program. So who qualifies and who is disqualified? The disqualified countries this year are Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, including Hong Kong, Colombia, Cuba, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Korea, Venezuela, and Vietnam. If you were born in one of these countries, unfortunately, you won't be able to participate this year. However, if your country is disqualified, there are 2 legal exceptions that might help you. The first one is being married to someone from a qualifying country. Example, I'm from India and so I'm disqualified, but my wife is from Italy, which qualifies, so I qualify. The second exception is if my parents are from a qualifying country and were not residents of my disqualified country when I was born. Example, I'm from Pakistan. Pakistan is disqualified, but my father is from South Africa, that applies, and wasn't a resident of Pakistan when I was born. In that case, I can participate. These are the only 2 legal exceptions. So the first requirement is to be a national of a qualifying country. Which is the second? Submitting a photo that meets all the requirements set by the Department of State. And I promise you, they will drive you crazy with all the requirements in pixels, size, resolution, shadows, etc. So watch out. The third requirement is having completed high school. But if you haven't finished high school, but you have 2 years of work experience within the last 5 years in professions authorized by the Department of Labor, you may still qualify. The fourth requirement is being eligible for a green card. In simple terms, this means that you cannot have an immigration or criminal record that would prevent you from obtaining a green card. In other words, winning a green card does not erase immigration or criminal records. So if you meet all the requirements, when does registration open? You can only apply once a year from October the 2nd to November 5th, 2024. And you will have to complete it in a 30-minute session. And be careful because 40% of the people get disqualified every year due to mistakes or errors. This is terrible because they lose the golden opportunity over a simple mistake. It's losing the chance to change your life and your family's life because of a small error. Also, keep in mind that this could be the last diversity visa program ever in history. Why? Because when Trump was president back in the day, he tried to cancel the program. He couldn't do it because he didn't have the numbers in Congress. But US elections are coming soon, and we'll have a new president and a new Congress starting in January 2025. If Trump wins, and this time he has the number in Congress, he could try to cancel the program again and succeed. Also, keep in mind that while your country may qualify this year, it might not participate next year. That's what happened to Venezuela and Cuba recently. That's why you need to use this golden opportunity while it lasts. For this reason, and to help you apply, I prepared the Diversity Visa Method, a method created by my team of US lawyers and by myself, where I explain everything step by step, so you can rest assured that your application is impeccable and free of errors that could disqualify you. That way, you will have the chance to win your green card and transform your life forever. But watch out because the method will only be available for a few days, so you need to act now. You can get the method at the link below in the description of this video.